And one thing about the Eid al-Adha also, we don't have much activities apart from when we pray, we slaughter the rams and the cows, we share the meat, and you see everybody is about meat. You understand? It's not like the Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr, you see a lot of activities on the street, but this one is like everybody is concentrating on the meat.
Okay.
You understand? But
so that makes a difference.
That makes the difference. Okay. That makes the difference.
Welcome to Too Much, please.
Welcome to Barka da Sallah.
Oh, thank you. How do I respond to that?
Barka Kade.
Barika Kade.
Yes.
Okay. But if I meet someone new, I say Barika Stana.
The person will respond to you Barka Kade.
Barika Kade. Okay, that's fine. Thank you so much for this. All right. So please, is everything going on well today?
Inshallah, everything is going on well. Let me take this opportunity to send my Barka da Sallah to all our Muslim brothers and sisters, even the Christians. Where we are standing here is in Nima, and Nima will live together with the Christian brothers and sisters. We live together. So happy Eid al-Adha to our brothers and sisters on other side. Yes.
Thank you very much. Before then, we've taken quite a lesson from some people, but we will still want to know the difference between the Eid al-Adha and then the Eid al-Fitr. Alat is just two festivals that you have.
Yes, we have Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha.
So it means that the Ramadan is really not a festival.
And one thing about is not a festival also. Okay. The Eid is the festival. The Ramadan is activity, like apart from when we period of 30 days. You understand? Rams and the cows. So when you share the meat, that, then we celebrate the Eid al-Fitr. About meat. So we've done that. It's not like the Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Fitr, you see a lot of activities on the street, and people go to Mecca. It's like everybody is concentrating on the Hajj. You understand? Yes. So yesterday, that makes the difference. Arafat, that makes the difference. But when you go to Mecca to do whatever all you doing the exercise, yesterday is the last day you become an Alhaji.
Okay.
Excuse my language, you people, when you see a Muslim, you call him Alhaji. No, it's not anybody called Alhaji. Unless you go to Mecca and perform the Hajj. Yes, and get the day, that's yesterday, Arafat day. That when you conclude that, automatically you are an Alhaji. You understand? So the thing happened yesterday. So the next day, then every country, everybody, you have to go celebrate the Eid al-Adha. The Eid al-Adha also has its significance. Like you see, they are selling cows, sheep, goats, camel, and all these things. It has a purpose for doing that.
What is the purpose for selling the cows, and what's the purpose for selling the goats, the sheep? And I see people even selling chickens.
Chicken is not part of it.
It's not part of it.
All these selling cows or slaughtering cows and goats and sheep is part of the religion. Okay. You understand? One, during Prophet, that's Solomon. We call it Sulaiman. Okay. Solomon, his son. God ordered him. No, Abraham. Sorry. Okay. Ibrahim, that's Abraham. You call it Abraham. Yeah. God ordered him to sacrifice his son, Ishmael. That's Ismail. We will call him Ismail. Okay. Do you understand? So he called the son. This is what God asked me to do, to use you as a sacrifice on this. Like, is this our time? If my father told me that God has told him, like, tell him that he should sacrifice, I would say, no, Father, hey.
Yeah, you run away from home.
You are sick. You understand?
Indeed.
Yeah. But way back, Ishmael said, okay, Father, whatever you said, I'm for it. So he took him to the mountains, tied him, blindfolded him, ready to slaughter. And God asked Gabriel, Angel Gabriel, to bring a sheep in replacement of that sacrifice. But the obedience that Ishmael obeyed, like accept willingly. So it's part of the Eid al-Adha. Okay. You understand? So we have one sheep. If you don't have sheep, you can use cow. Okay. If you don't have cow, you can use camel. Yeah. If you don't have these three, you can use goat. But the goat, they give specification of goat that you can do.
Okay.
And all these animal, no, you can't use like disabled animal. Okay. The one his leg is break or doesn't have eye or the on like
it's broken.
It's broken.
Okay.
You can't.
Okay.
You understand? So there is a strictly rules and regulation by sacrificing all these animals. You understand, to God. And when you sacrifice, you need to share the meat among those who didn't do what? Didn't have opportunity or money.
Christians.
Everybody.
Okay.
Let everybody taste the meat. You understand? Like you are giving them charity.
Okay.
So extend that meat to others. But if me, I sacrifice, I slaughter a cow, you don't need to come and give me.
Okay. Yeah, sure. I mean, you have a whole.
Look for somebody who
doesn't have.
Then extend your hand.
Okay.
God will bless you for that. Okay. You understand? So that is the Eid al-Adha's part.
I like the fact that you introduced us to the allergy thing, where someone would have to go on a pilgrimage to Mecca and before the person can be called as an allergy.
Yeah.
How about the Amelia that we give to the woman? Is it the same thing, or do they go through the same process, or is there something that we just give it to them, the title?
Yeah, the title of Amaria means that if you get married,
okay,
officially, they pay your bride price.
Okay.
Being traditional way or Muslim way, automatically you become an Amaria. You get me? You don't just see Ramatu and say, oh, Amaria, no. Or Ajia. The opposite of Alaji for female is Ajia.
Okay, that's it. All right. So she also goes to Mecca.
The same thing, perform the same thing.
Okay.
You see some of them wear gold teeth, some of them wear diamonds.
All those wearing those.
Yeah, it's like sign that the person went to Mecca.
Okay.
That's why some of the people wear.
Okay. All right.
You see some of them wear.
Yeah.
Some don't wear. It's not compulsory.
Okay.
You understand?
Right.
But it's like anybody you see is open his mind, see that gold teeth.
Okay.
Go to. Then we have the function side, the grills.
Okay.
Like those who musicians use. Somebody recently, I see somebody is wearing it.
Yeah.
For function. That one is different. But this one you see, that one you see pure, like pure gold.
Okay.
Teeth size. So woman means Ajia. Man means Alaji. Amaria is they pay your bride price and they marry you. Automatically you become
thank you so much. But before we leave, then I would like us to talk about the dress code.
The culture.
The jalabia and the things that the ladies also wear. For the jalabia, is it for just the alhajis or it's for just anyone at all?
Yeah, jalabia. We have two types of jalabia. You see her, she's wearing it's a jalabia, but we call it hijab.
Okay. For the ladies.
For the ladies, it's jalabia. For the men, jalabia.
Okay.
Ladies, hijab.
Okay. All right.
You understand? Two different things. So you see them wearing it.
So even the one here,
even
hijab.
This is jalabia. This is hijab.
Okay.
The ladies one.
Okay.
And now it come in different functions. You know, because of some are taking it from Turkey, Dubai, and yeah. So it come nice in different shapes. You understand? So as a man, it's jalabia. Like he's wearing, but the ladies is hijab. You see them wearing it. You understand? And let me talk about a little bit of culture too. You understand? We have your culture. So Salah Day, in particular, you can wear anything, anywhere, any day. But Salah Day, you see everybody is wearing something like what I'm wearing.
Okay.
Some are wearing different materials, like our own making of dressing.
Okay.
It's not about jeans, t-shirt, you see everybody, even 90.
The locally made.
Yeah, local made. You understand? That's culture. You understand? And one thing about the Eid al-Adha also, we don't have much activities apart from when we pray, we slaughter the rams and the cows, we share the meat, and you see everybody is about meat. You understand? It's not like the Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr, you see a lot of activities on the street, but this one is like everybody is concentrating on the meat.
Okay.
You understand?
But so that makes a difference.
That makes the difference. That makes the difference. But I have a company called Broadway Entertainment. By the way, I want to chip in.
Okay.
So we've been organizing a Deba of chiefs. Okay. So all the tribes will come and showcase their culture and tradition.
Nice.
You understand? Every Eid al-Adha.
Okay.
So we're gonna do it 25th. That's Sunday. This coming Sunday.
Right.
By that time, everybody finish with what is doing,
Okay.
the meat, the everything. Everybody finish.
Where will you be having that though?
Yeah, on Sunday.
Where?
You see the Nima Street, Nima Highway.
Nima Street.
Yeah, we do it from Nima Post Office Junction to this junction, Gorillas Junction. We start from morning 10 o'clock. There's a series of activity, art exhibition, health screening. Then in the evening, like from 4, then the Deba will start.
Right.
Maybe in the night, even the music concert to give the up-and-coming musicians the platform to showcase their.
So the morning will be something different, but the Deba itself is going to be
start like
evening.
after 3. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
Okay, we will surely come there to cover that up.
Yeah, you need to. It's very important.
Yeah. Thank you so much for the enlightenment today. Thank you very, very much. Now, Adha, for your good in Semino, and when Chemu, any emu enimdia, every any animal, and one goes to Ankayon. Papa, Mama, about too much GH.
Also.
I say, yeah. Okay, all right. Now, but you ended the celebration as a saying.
Oh, so far so good. Celebration no ekoyi pa. Wallahi danyame asi se afia abe tuye. Nti danyame asi pa.
Ya tu yan ho egu abonto so ye bisa amanfo se na mo celebration na ekono. Na amanfo dodo na complain efa corona ho na no affect mo so ana.
Yeah, corona na affect here both spiritually and financially. Well, because of the corona no bibia onkoso. Nti ama abrabwa din kakra, but all the same, so far so good. All the same.
And mo hwehwe yan kasa den. Efa Ido Adha no.
Oh, say onim say anka naturally anka nye corona ne tia. Anka wo say yeni na yonko uwa bibi no e wo say onko onko ya but say corona no aye kofododo na ntimi anko nti ye guso a ye na nti se o sori anopa obeye o normal bathing ne wasa ye the spiritual bathing se o we ne was supposed to come ne wa ba ya sorry nti se o ya sorry a se wo nanche ne wa ko nanche ne wa chicha ma obia ne obia nji.
And menam kromu no ne me say na nkofudodo na no mo asori dem and then meka mo mosque no nkofudodo na wo ho no mema no omopa no mo have mosque na ene de no man ka wana.
No, ma bebre kan because on say corona nti ya yen hihye bia say na be ya yem bom pisu bebre sa nti ama manu na akọ echiri nti say wan hye ya we say manu omunka because corona nti ya yen hihye kama because e was say yan observe protocol no yi nti ya
yo papa meda wasna efa Ido Adha no emu nchochomu ne de magibi pan wo nkofo banem pese menya emu nchomu pan nsunsu aye eda Ido Adha ene Ido Fitr entemu obetimi ede atodwaman.
Okay, say when him say Eid Fitr no Eid kitwa say Eid Fitr Eid kitwa Eid Adha Eid kesiye. Wow, nti we no say we fasting na ya enu na Fitr no Eid Adha no enu ye celebration na start Fitr Abraham time Abraham ni Ismail o Montino nti me pese me nchu asem no nti start Fitr that time no na akọ eba
Fitr no efade yankasa ho
Fitr Eid Fitr no eno fasting one no. Okay, Eid Fitr no eno purification. Okay. Eno purification say moye chiwe no we are ne mo akosun monyame. Eno to purify yourself. Yeah, that's the
purification. What's away so it's a whole lot about sacrifices. Obeku ojen, obeku nenche, obeku ponche ne hu kaka wono. Na me ka say when so about purification and no nyesa.
No, we su ka purification no, but one say fasting one no. Eno esunsin we fasting no. Emu do sin we because fasting no, mo be fasting for 30 days. One say ade bebre kan, but we no fasting 10 days and 1 day pena. Yeah, fasting. Okay. Yeah, fasting no 1 day. And it's say Monday say Muslims be I was say we fasting. It started 10 days. wow nti se untimi yes 10 days no ne why no 1 day but either fitr no and first no 30-month compulsory se un yare dia o se un ye
ano na ya moya no fiti ahomache ekopem enume 6
se onim se muslim ye fasting ni na by 5 and 4:30 4:30 ahomache
okay
akopin 6
okay
enumere
na maybe say na bibi come say maybe say sa adu nka kam but manya wo de ma maybe say ever fast eno ho no ade na ya momo de no ahomache na mo start 54:30 ekopem enume 6 now so no mutimi edidi before then
say won say ye de no sa nhihye no yesi unye fasting no ewo Quran no wosi fiti ahomache akopin enumere nti say enye ahomache say o sorry ahomache na wadidi nti unnum hwi unye undidi bia
no de na
dry fasting dry fasting undi hwi akopin enumere 6 ansa na wayewe enu ade no so sa na eye no
say aduane bia wo yam na that time na aduane wo yam no and say sacrifice no and say akomtre na na
debi say aduane wure ma na eche say wanye hwi biom no
aduane no wo yam ansa na 4:30 me fan say nipa na 4:30 but odidi 3 o'clock into no and say hwe
debi and say one didn't pour and say hwe
it's a purification no eno na for Edo fettle no ana Edo Adha no
no Edo Adha sacrifice wow sacrifice and also a purification no wow because here Muslim no you have 5 pillars wow anka your last pillar no na
salat no
the last pillar no eno na hajj no but they say antimi anko hajj no nti say ya antimi anko hajj no e wo say we no ye ni ye say na ebe ya nyagopo anka say be won say ya shishe papa ampa
papa ende akwakoye Edo Adha no eden na wo ka kire ahwefo ene unua no muslimi fo ni na
Eid Mubarak to all
Eid Mubarak na yes me just say
Eid usubeji su Eid Mubarak
Eid Mubarak okay na mete ba ku bi nso na no so yefofo asa wu ni pa na ba kan bi fofo na ni pa no so age so nje so fofo no so ewo
no enu de ne bia me de me sheda
me kaya na nke bia bamu ni mbate bia me kaya na nka bamu nti ni awka che ahwefo no odofo ni na ene Eid Mubarak yo papa ibada wasepa na dofo aha ene de insem ni na AC na mo amoni ya jididide omunchemu se na me kaya ne se wonni ntiase efa unua ho untimi ene ne ntina ma ni nyeye eno ntina ne de ye de ye ho esi abonte so se ye betimi enya ase efa omokọ chawo ene se no mu live your life nenso yetimi ene omatna ewo asumdwe mu aha ana edi mu ese modwen twa fa nsem ne wunyina na mu de ato ya comment section mu kama se ne first time wa be ka ye ho a na wa kai so be subscribe wo mie notification no se na dada ye posti video bi ewo too much a wo so benya bi ne wo hu ne akoso ewo ye memu ene wiase mu apa na nyina medem ase